Do you notice something? All of our MathMite characters have all of their math strategies all mixed up. Our friend DC is holding on to Abacus's wand, and T-Pops has DC's hammer. The strategies need to be fixed. Here's how it's going to work. Our friend Dotson is here, and Dotson had a problem. He tried to solve the problem, and we're going to see how he solved it. When we look at it, we're going to have to decide if he did it right or if he made a mystery math mistake. If there's a mistake, we have to try to help him to fix it. Let's take a look at Dodson's problem. Dodson today was given a focus number on the top 10 frame. Then he was asked to build 3 different numbers that would be more than his focus number. Let's take a closer look at what Dodson did. Dodson had this as his focus number. Do you know how many that is? Let's count. 5 and one more, that's 6. Dodson's focus number was 6. Then he had to build 3 numbers that he thought were more than the number 6. Let's hear from our friends today. Today, Farrah is here. Farrah said that she agreed that the very first 10 frame was more than 6 because it had 8 on it. Let's take a closer look at what she noticed. She looked here at the first 10 frame. She saw the 5 and 3 more and said that that was 8. 8 is more than 6. If you notice, we could hide these and there's the 6. But to get to 8, we have to have more. Great observation, Farrah. Let's hear from our other friend today. Today we have Dawson. Dawson said that the second 10 frame has 5, but that means it's not more, it's less. Dodson would need to add more counters to show it to be more than 6. Let's take a closer look at Dawson's thinking. So Dawson said that this one had 5, and 5 is less than 6. To make 6, we would have to add another counter. Now they're the same. But remember, he was supposed to add more. Let's add one more chip so that it has more. If we add another chip, now we have 7. 7 is more than 6. 7 would be a good number to show more than 6. What do you guys think about the last one? Let's take a closer look. This was the last one. Does that show more than 6? Well, I noticed that in order to have 6, I would have to do this and put on more. And since those weren't there, that means that had less. Let's see if we can fix it to make it more. So now we have 6, which means they're the same. Let's add a couple more chips on. We'll add 3 more. Now look at it. Now we have the 6, and look, 3 more. That makes 9. 9 is more than 6.